This practice will focus on the physical body. To begin, you can sit in a chair, or if you wish to connect to the earth, you can also sit on the floor. If you're outside, sitting against a tree might feel really wonderful. Allow your eyelids to become heavy, or if you wish, you can keep them open and find a spot to look at. Lengthen your spine. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Imagine a red ball of energy. The ball can stay in your mind's eye, or you can move it from body part to body part wherever you're resting your awareness throughout the meditation. Imagine it expanding and contracting. Begin to breathe. Fill your lungs. Move your breath down your spine all the way to your pelvic bowl. With each exhale, release your breath down your legs, returning the prana, the life force energy that flows through your breath to the earth, through the soles of your feet, through the base of your spine. After a few breaths, notice if you feel any more centered. Notice if you feel any resistance. If so, where do you feel that in your body? Breathe into those places and see if it can help you relax a little bit deeper. If you experience resistance, see if you can just notice it without needing to fix it or do anything about it. And starting with your toes, squeeze them together for a few seconds and then release. Take a moment to notice the sensations connecting you to this body part. When you feel like you've acknowledged what this part of your body is saying, we'll move on now to our ankles. Circling your ankles a few times. Greeting your ankles. Bend your knees one at a time. Breathe deeply into each of your hips, perhaps circling them. Feel what it's like to tap into each of these areas. Inhale deeply into your belly and let it go with an audible exhale. If you reach your left arm up and stretch the whole left side of your body. And then switch, reaching your right arm up and stretch the whole right side of your body. Breathe into the back of your shoulder blades. And now breathe into your chest and expand the chest as though you could imagine your chest opening to the sky. Moving now into your shoulders, circling them. Circling now your neck, slowly clockwise, in a way that feels just right for you. Now counterclockwise. Moving now into your upper back, releasing any tension that you may feel Bend your elbows and circle your wrists a few times. Push your tongue to the roof of your mouth and maybe roll it around if you feel like doing so. Finish by squeezing your eyelids shut tightly and furrowing your brow line. Hold it for a few seconds before releasing it. Now move to the top of your head. Give it a rub and then a light scalp massage to invigorate the crown space. When you feel complete, come to your root chakra mudra, drawing your thumb and your first finger together. Take one last full breath all the way down to the base of your spine. On your exhale, release your breath back down to the earth. Open your eyes if they were closed, and with a soft gaze, acknowledge what you were able to experience during your meditation. Notice what it felt like to come to a space of embodiment, to live fully in this body.